Hi, my name is Robert Bernal, and I'm from San Francisco, California. I'm 30 years old. Hair journey started at the age of 25 when I started losing my hair, and I wanted to do something about it. So here I am. For about a year now, ever since my coworker came to you guys, and you guys did amazing work with him, so I wanted to come and have the same experience and outcome. The hairline design process was great. It was easy. I liked the design from the time he drew it on, and the entire process was pretty painless and pretty easy. The whole procedure was very easy. No complaints. My advice is just do it. Come here, know what you want for your hair design, and just, have the courage to come out here and have the procedure done. Thank you so much for all your guys' help. It was a very easy and great experience.